Hydraulic engineering infrastructures are of concern to many people and are likely to interfere with the environment, both in a negative way, but also in a positive way. Moreover, they are supposed to keep on functioning for many years. That is, they have a long lifetime. In times of rapid societal and environmental change, this implies that sustainability and adaptability are important attributes. These are central to building with nature, an innovative approach to hydraulic infrastructure development and operation. Starting from the natural system and making use of nature's ecosystem services, use the force, building with nature attempts to meet society's need for infrastructure functionality and to create room for nature development at the same time. Let it grow. By including natural components in infrastructure designs, you gain flexibility and adaptability to changing environmental conditions. Extra functionalities and ecosystem services can also be achieved. This can lead to lower cost on a life cycle basis than conventional engineering solutions. Designing with the Building with Nature philosophy requires a different way of thinking, acting, and interacting. The new thinking doesn't start from a certain design concept, focusing on the primary function, but you start from the natural system instead, using its dynamics, functions, and services. You also take account of the diverse interests of stakeholders. Within this context, you seek optimal solutions for the desired infrastructural functionality. Also, the project development process requires you to act differently, because it's more collaborative and extends beyond the delivery of the engineering object. The natural materials and processes of the project take time to develop, and you have to make sure they function as expected. Post-delivery monitoring and projections into the future are integral parts of the project. This also creates opportunities to learn a lot more from such projects than from traditional ones. Now the different ways of interacting. Building with nature project development is a matter of co-creation between experts from different disciplines, problem owners, and stakeholders. This requires a different attitude of all parties involved and different ways of interaction. You can no longer work alone, you have to work with others in a multidisciplinary setting. To cope with accelerated sea level rise, climate change, and reducing biodiversity, we need you to be able to design and realize hydraulic engineering infrastructures that are sustainable and adaptable. Your involvement can change the future. Thank you for your attention.